Shake it, shake, shake it, 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 shake it like a pro.
Hello everybody! Today I'm going to show you all how to make your shirt more fun by attaching googly eyes. For this project, we will need a white shirt, transfer paper, plastic wiggly eyes, circular magnets, felt, black thread and needle, super glue, a white plastic sheet, satin cord, and hook and loop. My objective is to create a shirt with googly eyes that I can control where it is looking. Also, I want the eyes to be detachable so I can wash and dry the shirt in the machine. That way, the shirt can last a long time. The first thing that I need to do is design a shirt. I put together this design really quick and printed it out, then ironed it on. This tutorial is more about the googly eyes, so I'm not going to talk too much about designing the base, but here it is. Once I have my design, I start measuring the hook and loop, then I cut it out to the shape of the irises. Ooh, creepy. Now it looks like those evil eyes in those horror movies. Then, I outline the eyes on stiffened felt fabric. This backing will ensure that when I sew the Velcro on, the Velcro won't rip off the shirt. I do the shape of the eyes to limit the visibility of the felt fabric underneath. Once I've cut my shapes, I sew them on to where they need to go with my needle and thread. Ta-da! Now, I'm going to take my googly eyes and remove the backing. Then, I use my Cricut machine and cut out new backings for the eyes. Then, I attach hook and loop by sewing it on. The new backing will have two layers, one for the Velcro and one to hide the Velcro. I attach it all together with some super glue. Then, I put in the magnets and attach the cover. Once the glue has dried, I test out the magnets to make sure I did not accidentally demagnetize them. If I did, I have to start all over. Now, to control the eyes, the magnets have to stick on the back. It isn't practical to leave them freely hanging, as they might fall and break. So, to make them convenient, I'm going to make a necklace with two magnets. I take a satin cord and twist two magnets onto the cord, then glue them in place. Ta-da! My shirt can wiggle, it can jiggle, it can look up, it can look down, it could look up and down. Hey Isabella, there's $100 on the floor. Where? You kidding or are you for real?